Yo dog, it's Lil Kev up in here, and today we is going to be doing how to make a rap. Now, to do a rap, you just need your notebook. Now, this is my notebook. It says rap book, and then my lyrics are lit because they lit, and then so you need your notebook and a pen or something. Now you want to spell the words all wrong. Just spell them all wrong, and then you want to talk about how you and your crew are gonna go fight somebody, or how you guys are gonna go and smoke weeds together and like do lean. Now to like just think about it. Just think about it. You also would like to do like having sex with women. Now, unless you're gay. But if you're gay, you can't really make it in the rap game. But, like, that's just really it. Now, if you guys would like to sample my lyrics or something, I'm going to go show you guys these right now. So, my first song is going to be called, Moving Houses. And I'm going to sing you all these songs. And then my second song is going to be called I really, really, really like a girl. Now, my first song, you gotta pay for the full thing, but it's called Moving Houses, and this is the sample. Yo, ain't no bees up on the couch, and all the movers bout to go, ouch, that really hurt, cause that mover stabbed his toe on the couch. The alarm clock's about to bounce, cause ecstasy makes you jump, like way up in the sky. Oh, that makes me high of the breathtaking black man. My teeth is turning purple, but what do you expect when you get a purple nurple? Now, my second song is gonna be called I Really, Really, Really Like a Girl. And, like, this is like, my neighbors is outside, but we still gonna sing it. But, like, again, you need to pay for the whole song. This is just a sample. But this goes, yo, yo, I really like this black girl in my math class. She's so black, she's like dark chocolate times 1,000. 3 zeros, no beat on the song. But I'm wild like a lion. Lion rhymes with Ryan. White kids are named Ryan. Yo, saving Private Ryman, but I'm saving Black Wyman. Those that don't know, Wyman is women, just I needed it to rhyme. Anyways, guys, that was my video, and those are my raps. You can pay me for the full raps, but, like, those are the samples. But, like, yeah, that's really pretty much it. See you guys later in the next one.